Welcome to Mikab Model College online tutorial. We hope at the end of this lesson, you will have acquired the expected learning outcome. Sit down and listen attentively as we introduce your subject.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to French class. My name is Shaibu Mary, your French teacher. Bonjour à tous. Bienvenue à votre leçon de français. Je m'appelle Madame Mary, votre professeure de français. Aujourd'hui, nous avons discuté les sujets. Which is time in English. We are going to say what is time in English, how to say the time in English. So let's go as we learn the topic. The first thing to learn is quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Which means what is the time? Before you can say your time, you must know how to ask for the time in French. So we say quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? What is the time? When you want to say the time, you will not say il est, which is it is. So when you ask for the time, you say quelle heure est-il, and when you want to say the time, you say it is. Then when it is quarter to, you say moins le quart. Moins le quart. Quarter to, you say moins le quart. Et le quart is quarter past. Et le quart is quarter past. Il est midi, it is midday. It is midday. Il est midi. Il est minuit, it is midnight. It is midnight. Il est minuit. Demi or trente is half past or 30. Demi or trente is half past or 30. Now, let's go over it again. The first one, which say quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il? What is the time? Il est, it is. Moins le quart, quarter to. Et le quart, quarter past. Il est midi, it is midday. Il est minuit, it is midnight. Demi trente is half past. Quelle heure est-il? Il est, moins le quart, et le quart, il est midi, il est minuit, demi trente. Now, let's say the time. Quelle heure est-il? What is the time now? We have 1 a.m. here. How do we say 1 a.m. in French? This is it. Il est une heure. Il est une heure. Il est une heure. It is 1 o'clock. In French, they use 24 hours as their time. They don't use 12 hours like Nigeria, but they use 24 hours for their time. So that is why they can't run the clock. They start from 1 to 24. So you'll be seeing it in this one that I want to do now. The next one is 1:15 a.m. 1:15 a.m. Il est une heure et le quart. Il est une heure et le quart. It is 1:15 a.m. That is une heure. That's why we use une heure. Il est une heure et le quart. It is 1:15. 2 a.m. We have 2 a.m. here. Il est 14 heures. Il est 14 heures. What is 14? 14 is 14. You know, I told you that they can't run the clock. 14 is 14, but they can't. After we have 12, we have 13, then we have 14. That is why 2 now become 14 here. That is why they call it il est 14 heures. The next one is 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Il est 16 heures. Il est 16 heures. You know, I told you that they count from 1 to 24. That is why 4 now becomes 6, which is 16. Look at it. 11, 16, 16. We have 12 p.m. here. 12 p.m. The way they say their own is 11 midi. 11 midi. So we also have 12 a.m. We have 12 a.m. which is midnight. They call it 11 minuit. 11 minuit. We have 12:15 p.m. which is 11 midi et le 4. You know 12 p.m. is midi. Then we have 12:15 now. 11 midi et le 4. We have 1 p.m. here. 13 13. You know I told you that we have 24 hours. So that is why when you reach 4, you continue with, when you get to 12, you continue with 13, 14. And after 12 is what? 1. That is why we said 13 instead of saying 1. Do you get it now? So that is why we have 13 here. 13. 13. That is 1 p.m. The next one is 1:45. That is 14 moins le 4. 14 moins le 4. It is 1:45. 1:45. You know I told you that time that we use 24 hours. So that is why they said it is to 2, but quarter to 2. That is why we have 14 moins le 4. The next one is 3:30 p.m. 3:30 p.m. 15 et demi. 15 et demi. That is 3:30. The 3 is 15 here, which is 15. So that is why we have 15 et demi. Demi is 30. As we were saying before, we say demi is half or 30. So that is why we have 15 et demi. For better understanding, we are going to repeat the topic again. Le, which is time. When you want to ask for time in French, you say quelle heure est-il? That is why we have quelle heure est-il here. So when you want to say the time, you say il est, before you put the number of the time. Then the next one is when you want to say quarter to, you say moins le 4. Moins le 4. Then when you want to say quarter past, you say et le 4. Et le 4. When it is 12 p.m., you say il est midi. Il est midi, which is it is midday. Then the next one is il est minuit, which is midnight. 12 a.m. is called il est minuit, which is midnight. We have demi or trente, which is half past. Demi or trente, which is half past or 30. Then the next one is quelle heure est-il? You want to say the time now, you want to repeat it and say it again. Then the first one is what? 1 p.m. 1 a.m. sorry. 1 a.m. which is il est une heure. Il est une heure, which is 1 o'clock. Then the next one is 1:15. 1:15 a.m. Il est une heure et le 4. Il est une heure et le 4. That is 1:15. 2 a.m. Il est 14 heures. Il est 14 heures. Then the next one is 4 p.m. Il est 16 heures. Il est 16 heures. The next one is 12 p.m. Il est midi. Il est midi. Then the next one is what? 12 a.m. which is il est minuit. Il est minuit. 12:15 p.m. Il est midi et le 4. Il est midi et le 4. 1 p.m. Il est 13 heures. Il est 13 heures. 1:45 p.m. Il est 14 heures moins le 4. il est 14h, moi le 4, because we are talking about 2 o'clock. That is quarter to 2. That is why they have it as il est 14h, moi le 4. The next one is 3:30 p.m. 3:30 p.m. Il est 15h30. Il est 15h30. We have 12 p.m. 12 midnight, which is il est minuit. 12 p.m. which is il est midi et le 4. 1 p.m. which is 13h. 1:45 p.m. which is 14h moins le 4. 3:30 which is il est 15h30. Il est 15h30. You can repeat it again. 12 midnight is il est minuit. Il est minuit. 12:15 p.m. il est midi et le 4. Il est midi et le 4. 1 p.m. is il est 13h. Il est 13h. 1:45 is il est 14h moins le 4. Il est 14h moins le 4. Then 3:30 p.m. is il est 15h30. Il est 15h30. That will be the end of today's class. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting topics. Thanks.